Hello everyone, so this is gold. Right, so Thursday, Friday, remember? Thursday or Friday we've got swing day with gold. So the market coming down, it's all good, no problem. Swing day from last week. Last week was Tuesday, remember? Monday, Tuesday was swing day. So market just coming down. And this week I did say also this is a retracement. Okay, and then we should be pushing down. As you can see, market breaking. Now here it was a little tricky yesterday because this was a support level, but as you can see, when the market went up, they sold and they broke that level, and I keep pushing down. And I did say we've got room to come down because that's 2,554. In fact, 2,550 will be a psychological level for us at 2,550. But we do have still a bit of room, as you can see, to come down into that zone. Okay, so this is the manipulation bar here. So because we've got today and tomorrow coming back here, kind of like, let's see how we can do this. Yeah, kind of like that, I guess. And this is it. Right, so this is the zone. So we might still have a bit more room to come down, okay? But just be mindful of that 2,550. So touching this zone here, this might actually trigger a bit of a pullback up again. Now on the monthly, we still have room to come down, okay? So it's not a problem. We did say we've got room to come down, okay? And here we are at 2,554 on the price. And on the daily as well, yesterday, we had a good buy kiss zone there, and the market is in this zone. So this will be one place where the market will want to kind of like stall. Maybe we'll have a bit of a retracement going up for a few days. So today and tomorrow, let me bring this here as well. This is on the daily. So today and tomorrow might find ourselves down here, okay? And that's fine. That'll also be the good buy kiss zone, filling in the gap, coming in here, and that's basically it. All right. So if you want to keep selling, I would be cautious. If you're going to do it, I would just wait for the swing day to do any buying. Like I always say as well, if the PST broke down, don't stand in front of it. Just let it come to the target. It's nice and easy. As you can see, that was the target on the PST weekly. That's there, and on the monthly even, we still have some room. The first target there is 2,523. Okay, that's the first one there, which can go all the way down to 2,500, which we've put 2,523 here. Because of the monthly PST, we can put 2,500 onto the radar as well, simply because, okay, this is the zone. It's in that zone, you see. All right, so wait, let it tap in, and then next week maybe we can go the other way, okay, which looks like the logical thing to do. But this zone is a nice buying area, so if we get into there, that's just, I wouldn't miss it if we get into there, okay. Be careful with the stop sweeps and everything, so don't go in blindly. Just make sure you get the timing and also the day right, so time and day. And this is the goodbye kiss zone. As you can see, if it gets in there, that's pretty much it. Let's take a look at euro dollar. Now with the euro dollar as well, let's take a look. We're coming down. We said we got room to come down as well with this. I showed you the weekly chart. So with the euro dollar, we had Monday, Wednesday, Friday. So as you can see, it's just, again, Wednesday, Monday, Wednesday, Friday. That's, where are we? Wednesday there. It just keeps pushing down on this one. So no real reversals, but you can see their big days just pushing through. On the weekly, it's come down. I did say we've got room to come down. Okay, and that's your channel, and it should take us down here. So we're going to wave down a little bit more. It never came up to that goodbye kiss, as you know, on the 39, 1.0741, but it just kept pushing down and down. Okay, so not much to talk about. It came close to it on Wednesday. Other than that, Monday. Other than that, it's just been going down and down. But if you kept selling on the trading hours as well, yesterday, you probably should have been okay. Let's check it out. Okay, this was the zone yesterday. New York news session, 0642. Market comes into there at the trading hour. So if you sold here at the news or after the news on that hour, you should have been just fine. Okay. And on the weekly, as you can see, we've got room to come down. Now Friday is a swing day on this one. Okay, this week, euro dollar. Yeah, Monday, Wednesday, Friday. So nice and easy. You just keep pushing it down. And that's the way to go. Be careful for the news. And if I tighten this up a little bit, maybe tomorrow we'll stop and do a bit of a bounce. And that's basically it. So now we can get rid of this. This was a target zone. Done. Broken down. All good. No problem. Now you wait for the Friday. Okay. Now with the Friday, do we have a zone for this? We can have this zone. Okay, so this 1.05 zone. Maybe we'll come down a little bit more. On the PST, let me just double check where we can head towards. That HCL1 1 point is 1417 1.0295. That is way down there. Okay, on the daily, which is fair enough. Okay, so we have to wait a little bit on this one. I mean, the market still has room to go down. Okay, so if you want to sell on the retracements, you can, like the daily pivot or up here, because there are gaps here. But this is coming into that zone where, you know, we're going to start turning around a little bit. Okay, so waiting for the swing days is obviously the way to go. Okay, once again, Wednesday, not a swing day, but a big day. As you can see, we can have a big day or a swing day on the swing days. Why? Because it could also break out. Like here, we've got news breaking out. So that's it for tomorrow. We can wait, and from the lows we can look for a reversal tomorrow. Other than that, not much to talk about here on this. Let's take a look at Dow Jones. Not Dow Jones, SP 500 first. Now with this, remember we had Monday for a swing day, and now we've got Friday for this. So today we might also see a bit of a push down into that Friday. Okay, so Monday was a swing day, and Friday we might see coming down all the way into here. So pushing it further down, I think, is okay and the way to go on this one, because we had a good impulse up. Now pushing it down into Friday is okay. If the market retraces up, selling again will be an option, where 73, 6,000 will start 2737, 6,037, 27. Should it come back into a trading hour, also be mindful of the news. We've got news today and tomorrow, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Okay, so if it comes back up again Friday, sellable, but I'm thinking we'll probably head down and, you know, go further downwards on this one. Okay, so at trading hours, if you find yourselves up here, I think selling down is a better option. But by Friday, if it doesn't go down, right, let's say we're going sideways still, and if it goes up into Friday, then Friday selling a high is a better option. Okay, but if it doesn't, it should push us down into Friday, because I'm thinking we should be coming down here, and also I'm thinking we should be coming down like that probably. Okay, why? Because that should pretty much close the gaps too and bring us back into this zone here. Okay, let's take a look at Dow Jones. Dow Jones, Nasdaq, SP 500. Remember, we're all doing the same kind of stuff. Normally they go together unless there is a difference in the swing days. Then we have to make sure we're looking out for it in a different way. Let's take a look. Dow Jones on the daily. Remember, Monday swing day, so we should be coming down here as well. That's why I said with this as well yesterday, if it goes up, you can sell. And it did come up, as you can see. Yesterday, let's check out what that was. That's 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock, perfect. Okay, because I had 9,920 on the platform. It's 8,820. I also had what, 455, which is 355. And that's your 355 here. We had 345, which is 245 on the platform. 245 on the platform here. So from the low, it went up and then kept going up. And then we're here, and then the market sold off again. So once again, highs, as you can see, swing hour, sell off. Same kind of thing here we can do. If it comes back up, selling down into this zone is looking like a better option. Also on the weekly, we've got room to come down, as you can see. If not this week, probably next week we'll be selling as well if the market is at the highs. Nasdaq, thinking same. If we have a retrace up move on the intraday, obviously, then selling again down is the way to go. And same here as well. Okay, so let's see what's that. That's 5:15, which is, okay, that's 5 o'clock. I didn't have anything. Yes, I did. I had 5 o'clock. Oh, 4:55. No, I had, what's that? 3:45. So 2:55 on the platform is there, okay, because the platform is 1 hour behind. So 2:55 is there, and then I had 1:45 is going to be around. That's your 1:45. 1:55 is there, okay, and then 4:55 is there. And that's your 5:10. And then we've got 9 o'clock. So that should be what, 8:20. 8:20 is there. 8 o'clock there. Okay, 8:20. And the market turning into 11 o'clock. So what's here? This is 5:15. I didn't have an 18:15, so yep, that's got nothing to do with me. All right, so we had an up move, market came down and then went back into there, back down again. So selling again on this one is also the way to go into this zone. So Monday being a swing day, that's your Monday, so pushing it down. The next swing day is tomorrow, so we should probably end up going down until Friday, and that's basically it. Okay, mind your targets. Okay, so you know where to cover the trade. 20,950, 20,790, and so on. Okay, but it's got room to come down a little bit more. I'm thinking that level we talked about, LCL1, 20,943, which is there. All right, so Bitcoin. Now with Bitcoin, Tuesday was a swing day. The next swing day on this one is the weekend. Okay, that's your Tuesday. As you can see, market pushing up. Okay, it's just, I don't know, they're going all crazy about it, but no buying at the tops for us, okay? Even if you're buying and holding, let the market come down, because sooner or later they're going to have to dump it into a level where they'll buy again, okay? So this is just Trump mania happening, which is fine. I don't mind Trump, but you know, being at the tops, buying at the tops, especially buying at all-time highs, you know, not quite my thing. But we talked about 77.35, 94.695, 94.695. Let's do this. 94.600. There you go. All right, so it's pretty close. Pretty close. Okay. Fridays is Friday. Yeah, Friday. We've got Friday, Saturday. So if we do hit up there, it could still sell off from there. Okay. So that's a Wednesday, and the market can sell off also on the Friday as well, going down. All right, so be mindful. It's a little tricky. All-time highs there. If you're day trading it, let it give you a sign before you sell off stuff.